What's going on, everybody? This is Gary B. Jr., your media consultant, and today I'm excited to talk to you about a new feature in FreeShow called Quick Search. This feature allows you to search for everything from shows to settings, all the way to tutorials on YouTube. So let's jump into it and see how it works. The way that this process works is you hit Command G if you have an Apple computer, you hit Control G if you have a Windows computer. Once you do that, you're going to be greeted with a small search window here. And let's say you're looking for your settings and you're looking for the new profile setting. You can type in profile and it gives you an option to quickly create a new profile or go to that setting in FreeShow. Maybe you want to look up the output setting and you can type in output and you'll get an option for a new output, the settings, and then even more settings to hide your cursor in the output, the output connections setting. And then you get this option for a YouTube video called virtual outputs. And then you also get an option to the website, to the documents page that says multiple outputs, along with another video called using MIDI outputs. Now, this is really cool because it also shows any shows that you have. And I've created some shows with the word output in it. But you can search anything. Maybe you're looking for templates, right? You can do a search and type in the word template and it'll bring you an option to select your template tab from here. You can go and create a new template immediately by selecting new template. You also can see a styles setting that says override slide with template, and it'll bring you directly to that page in the settings, along with the website with the question mark, and then more YouTube videos about templates. And then you've also got your shows to have that word in it as well. And I didn't even finish typing the word. You can do a search for music if you wanted to. And this will give you an option for action that I've got set up in FreeShow for start music on a countdown. But it also gives you options to go to the audio tab or the music tab in FreeShow, along with more videos about music in the playlist, a music visualizer, and then any other shows that have that word in them. All right. So this feature is unbelievably cool. Now let's see how it works. So if I were to select this song here, it quickly pops up that song for you to immediately start showing it. All right. And it gives you the option to start showing that show immediately. If I were to do another setting, I got a list here. Let's do a search for actions. All right. So I'm going to do Command G and I'm going to type in actions. And we've got an option to go to our actions tab, which it takes you directly to it right there. If I go back and type Command G, it saves your last search. I can also go to some videos to teach about easy action shortcuts and how actions are your best friend, along with any shows that I've created that have the word action in it. All right. Maybe we want to search for something else. Let's check out. Maybe you want to understand how to use Companion with FreeShow. While you're in it, you want to figure out where the settings for it. You can go to the word, you can type in Companion, and look at that. It takes you to the setting option that allows you to turn on Companion. Okay. And so it pops up here and it says Bitfocus Companion Connection, and that'll take you into the website for it in terms of the website for FreeShow, but it also brings you here to show you the setting option for where you would activate to start using Companion with FreeShow. All right. I can do Command G from even in the settings options, and it'll do the same thing. Okay. It picks up where you left off and it gives you the list of different things. Let's go back into our show and let's see what else we got. What if we wanted to find out something about how to add notes? So I can do, or where I can add notes. So I can do Command G, type in note, and you got a notes option here that takes you to the notes settings. You got stage notes, which is just a stage uh, option here that I've actually created. It says layout for the stage. Let me go back in. And you also have a website link with those question marks represent a website link to FreeShow, how to import a PowerPoint presentation. It has the word note in it. And then also how to add slide notes in FreeShow and the best way to use Keynote with FreeShow, along with any other shows that you've got. These are videos, this is the website, and this is actually a stage layout that I've created. Another option you can look up is, let's say we want to understand or find where we can add variables. We do Command G and we type in variable, and you'll see an option to, it's got this icon here that takes you to your variables section, okay? And that's under the functions, and you'll see variables on the left side there. If I Command G again, I can create a new variable immediately, which is really cool. When I do that, it pops up the variable option. I'm gonna close that out. It also gives you a YouTube video, The Secret Power of Variables. All these YouTube videos, from what I can see so far, actually involve my channel. So that's pretty cool as well. And then you also have this option for the shows that you have that have the word variable in it. All right. And you can easily start up any of those shows by simply clicking on it, and it'll take you right into it. All right. Now, this is very different than the search option on the right. This is a quick search that allows you to pull up a show very quickly. It does not allow you to drag in a show. So if I do Command G, I can't move this show into my project as of today. But if I go over here to this search and I type in and I go to my shows tab, it'll search in my shows tab for variables. So if I type in variable, you'll see here variables slides. And you can do a search in all of your shows and it'll pop up there for you as well. All right. And so this is how you do it. And then you can drag any of these in to your show. So let's do, if I type in and finish that out and I say variables, I can select this and drag it over into my show from here. All right. So if you want to add shows and create a project, all you do is simply type in what you're looking for. If I type in outputs, the first one there is outputs. If you see down here on this option, when I hit enter, it automatically adds that into the show. All right. So this is the compilation search on the right. This is how you would actually compile a project, and you can add the shows into your actual project by simply hitting enter. But if you want to do a quick search for something, including tutorials, including the website, and including creating a new variable, or if I typed in output, it'll be the same thing. It gives you an option to create a new output. This allows you to search throughout the entirety of the program and online when it comes to FreeShow in terms of videos and their website related to things in their documentation that talks about that term that you searched. All right. So this is a really cool feature. Check it out when you have time. Let me know how you would like to use it. And if you've ever used something like this in any other programs, I'm curious if you're using another presentation software, maybe it's another ministry presentation software, or even in PowerPoint or Keynote. Have you ever used something like this and seen this much flexibility in it? Because for me, I can't say that I have, but you all know probably more than I do in terms of just experience using other programs. So let me know. I'd love to hear it. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope it helped you in a major way. Now, at this point, most people would ask you to like and subscribe, and I think that's great. But my goal is a little bit different. My goal is to empower as many people as possible all over the globe. And there's one way that you can really help me do that, and that is to leave a comment below with a question, a thought, how this video may have helped you, or things that were left out that you still have questions about, and to share this video with someone just like you, someone who is looking for answers, someone who's curious and wants to grow. With your help, I believe we can build a community of people that want to grow together. So until next time, God bless.